My name is Lieutenant Gilbert Arinaitwe. I work as the HIV Prevention Programs Coordinator for the Directorate of HIV UPDF. Today we are in this symposium to exhibit some of the things that we do as UPDF. So here, as you can see, our stall has a vast of prevention messages that has been put across, like you've seen. Then we also have commander talking points. This is a very important tool to us because it guides commanders to talk to their troops. Each and every day they interact with them. So it's a very important tool. Then we also have our own product, the ULINZI CONDOM, which is a very, very important prevention tool for us in the fight against HIV. And as you can see, the dispensers, all some of the things that we put out there for our troops to access the ULINZI CONDOM. So we offer a comprehensive HIV package, although we've not brought the care and treatment, the ARVs, much as you don't see them here, but we offer a comprehensive HIV care and treatment program. So we have 31 accredited art centers across Uganda that offer HIV services to our troops and the surrounding communities. It is very important for people to know that we offer services not only to UPDF but also to the surrounding communities within a radius of 7 kilometers, but we will not stop giving you services even if you come beyond that. So basically in this symposium we've come to show people that UPDF is also joining the rest of the world, the rest of the agencies to fight HIV, and indeed we want to end HIV by 2030 as guided by His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda. Thank you.